In this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Remitly Account Lock. So in this article, we will tackle why is your account locked in the first place. So if your profile is locked, it might be because of several reasons. You can't log in because you have tried your password too many times or they couldn't verify your identity with two-factor authentication. When this happens, you immediately locks your profile to protect your personal information as well as your funds. So the question about getting your account back, in most cases, is easy to get back into your profile. So the most common reason for getting locked out is trying your password too many times. So for this case, you can just request a password reset. They will send you an email that will help you reset your password. And if you also get locked out by the two-factor authentication, what we can do is you can reset your password and then try signing in again and then going over to 2FA in order to resolve it from there. So that's all there is today and I hope this video helped you out.